This has got to be the weirdest reason for a flat tire ever. That looks like a piece of glass. Focus. Will this focus? It's super sparkly if you catch it just right. You can hear it. I've got my tools ready. I've got my plug ready. I've got a pick. I've got my safety glasses on. I've got the gauge and the pump. The compressor is ready to go. I've put 40 pounds pressure in here just so that it holds some air while I take this out. One-handed. Oh, there's one piece fell out. Look at that. Just glass. There's probably more in there. Yeah, there is more in there. That is disgusting. The glass got stuck in my tire. I think the only thing to do now is send the reamer tool through there from the kit and see what happens. Maybe check pressure. Put my arm on it. That's my forearm. So it's 39.5. Okay. So let's send the reamer tool through and then put the plug in. You can, am I right set up here? You can watch me. What a glass here. Oh, crunchy. Find the hole. Starting to let more air out now, so I must have the right spot. So there's step one. You stick your tool. Seems kind of weird to fix a tire. You got to make the hole ever so slightly bigger, so you have to fit that in. All right. We'll work that up and down a couple times. Remove the glass and some of the rubber. There's a okay. Well, now the fun part. Switching tools. The other one ready? Cram that slowly in. And the trick is to pull it out quick and leave the sticky thread behind. Ready? Oh. And hopefully the noise has stopped. Focus. Alright. So there's that in there. Looks disgusting. Check the pressure real quick. 30. Can this focus at all today? 34.5. Probably just trim that off to make it look pretty, and then spray some soapy water on there. A little trim. Well, not just to look pretty, but so you can see where you've applied your soapy water. And also because it'll probably go lumpity bump if you leave that much junk on your tread. And it's all stuck to your knife. A little bit extra. Perfect. Okay, soapy water. Video still going? 5 minutes in. Whew. Diluted soapy. Soapy. Okay, we're back for the soap. Sorry, I ran out of space on my phone. There's the repair. A little bit ugly, but should work. Spray some soapy water. It comes pre-bubbled, but the key is that none of those bubbles are growing. See that? So you're not just looking for bubbles, you're looking for growing bubbles. They're filling with air from within. Anyway, that's this repair is only temporary. Don't forget that. It's only temporary unless it works. See you next time.